This on? Okay, hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's been a while since I posted. I'm super excited. We got a review to do. It's a fidget toy review. Fidget toys are satisfying things basically. And it came in this Amazon package. Like, look, I'm not gonna show you my address, but yeah, it came in this Amazon package. Yeah, there we go. That's the back and stuff. This doesn't really matter right now. So I'm just gonna open it up. Okay. So this is what it looks like with no open slit. I'm super scared to see what it looks like. Oh, you see what it looks like? Here, if you guys could see it, you could see it. Yeah. Here we go. Let's look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Look at it. It's an Among Us thing. Wow. So it's an Among Us. Yes, I ordered Among Us. It's like blue camouflage mixed with an aqua color. There's a bunch of blues on it, which is really cool, I think. So I'm gonna open it. Ooh, holy. So let's see this. The rules. The rules of the game. This player, the player can press any bubbles in any row. The pressed bubble needs to be connected. Who pressed the last button will be loser. Oh gosh. Okay. So let's just play with it for now, and we might play the game. I don't know. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Really cool pop it. I'm gonna set it on the ground and oh yeah. This is super satisfying. That's satisfying. Oh yeah. Guys, look, I'm just gonna get all those rows. Just like that. Watch. Oh. I can't show you guys. It's like here. Maybe you guys could see better like that. Watch. I'm gonna hold it. Look at this, guys. It's so satisfying. This side's really good. Oh, guys. This is so satisfying. So if you guys do want to get this, I got it off Amazon. Amazon has everything you need. So if for your information, if you guys do not know what a Pop-It is, it's basically a fidget toy that is supposed to make your stress go away, like by enjoying the sound of popping, you just push it down like with your 2 fingers. It doesn't really matter as long as you don't have 1 finger popping it. You just gotta have at least 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. It just can't be 1. So like that. Look. So, like I said, you could get it from Amazon. You could get any poppet from Amazon, basically. Oh, that's satisfying. So, if you guys are wondering why this side is has more satisfaction, it's easier to pop than this side, is because this side has thicker lines on the side, and plus the bubbles are thicker. But on this side, it has like not a double circle, so it's easier for the holes, for the bubbles to get past. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. I'm gonna play with it a lot. This is a really cool toy to get your stress, just like to clear your mind, basically. And yeah, that's gonna be for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like, turn on your post notifications, like always. Peace and peace. Stay tuned for the next vid.